Rahul Gupta. I'm SP Cybercrime in Goa. So there is another kind of fraud which can be called fake video call fraud. In this kind of fraud, which generally targets male citizens, so lady will befriend you being a resident of foreign country on Facebook or on Instagram. She'll have profile picture obviously of a foreign lady and she'll talk to you very nicely. Next day she will do a video call with you. In that video call she'll be in a compromised state. She will tell you to also do the same by removing your clothes, and then she will click some screenshots. She'll click some pictures of you being in a compromised state. She'll get those screenshots clicked, and then after the phone call is cut, she'll start blackmailing you through her associate, claiming to be a CBI official or a Mumbai Crime Branch official, saying that we have some pornographic content with you on it, and to get it removed you have to pay some money, and otherwise this video is going to be public. And if you are afraid that if some of your relative or friends will see it, will be a very big embarrassment. So in that fear, you will end up transferring some money to the fraudsters. So in this kind of fraud, my advice is that you should not in first place befriend anybody who is not known to you. And video call, you should forget about video call with such kind of people. You should first see that whether the person is genuine or not, then only you can engage in a video call. And let's say if you fall prey to the video call, and even if somebody clicks some photographs, you should not get afraid, because he will not do anything with that screenshot or screen video. It's only the fear in your mind that he's capitalizing upon. He's not going to upload it anywhere. We have never seen a case where such video has been uploaded and people are later coming to us and saying that my video has been uploaded and please help. It is the threat which is causing you transfer some money, not the actual act. So you should not get afraid. You should report to police station or cyber police station. We will help you track down that person, or we will help you verify that whether this person is genuine or not. Then we can proceed with the legal action. And in any way, you should not transfer the money. And be vigilant of such kind of video calls, of such kind of profiles originating from across the world and trying to befriend you. Thank you.